Good day everyone, I am April Rose Katubag and today I am gonna discuss to you what is nanotechnology. Nanotechnology deals with the understanding and control of matter at dimensions between approximately 1 to 100 nanometers, where unique phenomena enable novel applications. More specifically, nanotechnology is the imaging, modeling, measuring, design, characterization, production, and system by controlled manipulation of size and shape at the nanometer scale, atomic, molecular, and macromolecular scale that produces structures, devices, and systems with at least one novel or superior characteristic or property. On the other hand, nanotechnology is a type of technology that has applications in various fields and focuses on nanoscale materials and their properties. Nanotechnology, therefore, works with the nanometer as a unit of measurement, corresponding to a billion of a meter. Next is the how small is nanosmall. Try to look at this example. This is how nanotechnology manipulates this individual. Even small things can only be seen using powerful microscope, such as water that have 0.1 nanometer, glucose have 1 nanometer, antibody have 10 nanometers, virus have 100 nanometers, bacteria have 1000 nanometers, cancer cell have approximately 10,000 to 100,000 nanometers. A period have 1 million nanometers, and tennis ball have 100 million nanometers. We have also here other example. A single human hair. Though it's a tiny single human hair, but it contains nanofiber and have approximately to 80,000 to 100,000 nanometers. Nanotechnology nowadays is already making products lighter, stronger, faster, smaller, and more durable. Example of products are sunscreen that contains nanoparticles to make it more effective in UV radiation, and tennis ball and rackets that contains nanomaterials to make it stronger and stiff, more durable, light, and resistant to abrasion. Next is carbon nanotubes. It is an example of application and uses of nanotechnology, where it has 4 nanometer, smaller diameter than DNA, 100 times stronger than steel, 1/6 weight. It is thermally and electrically conductive, and metallic and semiconductive.
So, good afternoon everyone. So, before we proceed, let me introduce myself first. I am Chavi Faith Arcarcedo, and in this period, we will now be discussing the approaches to nanotechnology. So, we only have 2 approaches to be discussed. The first one is the top-down approach. Top-down approach means that bulk materials are broken down into smaller and smaller particles. This explains that in this approach, the biomaterials or the bulk materials are engineered by scaling down its complex entity into its component parts. Norio Taniguchi is a Japanese scientist who first coined and defined the nanotechnology. Moreover, he is connected to top-down approach because of his concepts of nanotechnology, where according to him, nanotechnology mainly consists of the processing of separation, consolidation, and deformation of materials, which is true about the methods of top-down approach. So, as you can see at the picture in the side, we can already comprehend what is top-down approach, where the manufacture processes are coming from large amounts of materials going down into its smaller particles, down into the smallest particles. So, the second approach is the bottom-up approach. So, nanoparticles are built up an atom or a molecule at a time. So, it is a contrast to what is top-down approach based on the picture that you can see, where its manufacture processes comes from the smaller particles to create a more larger products. So, these methods utilizes the concepts of molecular self-assembly, where atoms and molecules organize or assemble themselves to create a more stronger and durable products through chemical to physical interactions. Moreover, Richard Feynman, a professor and is considered a father of modern nanotechnology, is related to bottom-up approach because of his idea of nanotechnology. So, he has this lecture entitled There's Plenty of Room at the Bottom, which means that we can do many things, many products, good quality of products from the bottom or from the smallest particle of each material to produce a product. So, moreover, the bottom-up approach is much newer compared to top-down approach where these methods are used today to produce a wide variety of useful products such as pharmaceuticals or commercial polymers. So going to the next slide, we will now discuss some of the applications of nanotechnology in today's product. So, transparent conductive coating. So, this product is composed of nanoparticles, indium tin oxide, a thin film of optically transparent and electrically conductive materials, which serves an important component to many electrical devices such as photographic films, touchscreens, monitors, and other devices that uses screens to have control for the entire device. So the second one is the magnetic recording tape. So magnetic recording tape is an oldest platform of recording audio and video and even information. So it is composed of metallic materials such as iron oxide, which is magnetized in tape head to store the information. So this technology used for audio cassettes, video cassettes, data storage tapes, floppy disk, and hard disk. So the next one is the sunscreen. So sunscreen is really important in our skin since it helps us to have a protection from UV rays. So sunscreen is composed of a nanoscale titanium dioxide and zinc oxide, which provides a broad spectrum UV protection in a transparent formulation. So through the component of sunscreen, it helps us avoid the exposure of ultraviolet B and ultraviolet A, which causes sunburn and carcinoma, melanoma, and premature aging. So the next one is the CNTs for composites. So carbon nanotubes for composites serves as an effective reinforcing phase in composite materials, which later on become the product more stronger, lighter, and durable, and can also improve strength and stiffness of the product.
Good day everyone, I am Josephine Katana. In continuation, nanotechnology is also applicable in imaging diagnostics. So, imaging diagnostics, we have what we call nanoplex biomarker detection na makita nato sa picture. It contains silica coated surface enhanced Raman scattering that allows robust in any biological matrix. We have called photocatalysis that can purify water, air, surface, and fabrics. We also have called propellants that will be observed in the picture. So, of the 500 to 1,126 kg of propellants used in a solid rocket booster of Space Shuttle, 16% is automized EI powder. So, drug delivery and disease treatment. It has been said that nanocrystals can be effective agents for selective targeting and destruction of cancer cells. So, here are the examples on how nanotechnology is used in the country. So, automobiles, medicines, constructions, textile, home appliances, and research.
Hi, I'm Aaron Vigtatipide. The nanotechnology products in the Philippines have reached 23 products in 15 types and 6 companies. So, in the area of automotive, we have 4 products. First is the indoor high iodine value of coconut shell activated carbon kit. So, it could be applied in office, hotel, or home. So, the for dedicated coconut shell activated carbon absorbent is it's for automotive and household. So the formaldehyde scavenger is for home and wood. Then the coconut shell carbon absorbent for automobile. So it is obviously it's for automobile. Then for the area of medicine, we have three products, which is very obvious nga. It's for feminine care. So we have panty liners, dry pads, and night pads. So it was developed by Cotonia Company. Then for the area of construction, we have Pentracell Nano Lithium Concrete Hardeners. So it's water resistant. Then for the second one is the wall mountain urinal fan. Then it is an anti-fouling. So if we say anti-fouling, kanang kuan siya it's protection for mga unwanted organisms. Then say third one is the counter top water basin. It is also an anti-fouling. Then accessible space toilet. Then it is also an anti-fouling. Then the decoration order net. So it could be applied in automotive and home. The nano photocatalyst, it is for automotive. Then the principal photocatalyst, it could be both applied in home and automobiles. Then the last one is the knocks out poison or an air cleaning paint. So for the area of textile, we have three products. So the branded new arrival boys Caballeral. Then it is obviously nga pang snow yun siya. Then the bench wraparound it is a protection from peeling. Then ngayon tag peeling ka ng mga gusot-gusot dito nga makita na to nga mga cotton balls nga murag gagmay kay sa atong asina no. This bench wraparound is the perfect product for you kung maglikay kag mga gusot-gusot. Then the bench adventurously B, so it's a waterproof and versatile, so it could be both used in low and high temperature. So for the home and appliances, we have four products. The toilet thrasher, or it's obviously for toilets. Then the multifunctional cleaning cream, it could be applied in automotive, leather, and household. So then the third one is the refrigerator dedicated trickle dehumidification cured flavor. So it was clearing pang dehumidify siya. So it's for refrigerator. Then the last one is the refrigerator odor bags dedicated. So it's for deodorization siya for refrigerator din. For additional information sa nanotechnology in the Philippines in the area of agriculture, we have developed three products. So the first one is the nano-silica based fertilizer. It can increase germination and plant growth of tomatoes. Then the second one is the fruit tech coating technology, which boosts shelf lives of high valued fruits such as mango and papaya. And then the last one is the nano-encapsulated. This is a plant regulators which enhances germination and root development of coffee, banana, and cassava. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, it's me again, Chavi Faith Carsado, and now we will discuss nanotechnology in the Philippines research. So due to the wider spread of nanotechnology, many scholars conducted research in order to visualize and understand the application of nanotechnology in different aspects. So one example is the Journal of Nutrition. So this article mainly focuses on the problems and possibilities of introducing nanoparticles in clinical and nutrition setting. It also discusses basic research applications with the use of quantum dots to visualize cellular processes and protein-to-protein interactions. The next one is the eliciting B cell immunity against infectious diseases using nanovaccines. So this review provides us an overview regarding the advantages and disadvantages of using nanoscale vaccines in order to fight the infectious diseases. So next is the nanotechnology issues. So despite of the benefits that the nanotechnology gave to us, there are still issues that need to be addressed. The toxicity of the nanoparticles depends on its surface properties, structure, size, and its ability to aggregate. However, if the nanoparticles have low solubility, then it might cause issues concerning on health and safety, environment, and agriculture. So I would like to end this presentation with a quotation by Matt Spire Kaligatha. Many rules had begun to bend at the hand of nanotechnology, gene therapy, robotics, and artificial intelligence. This produced a lot of good and a lot of bad. This trade-off has always plagued us. When you make waves, you produce peaks and troughs. And that would be all. Thank you.